I'm very comfortable right now, which I'm comfortable on my cat. Say hi, kitty. So,
just walk in.
Ashley. So, this is my special kitty. She's 13 years old. Look at the camera, kitty. Look at the camera. Obviously, she's kind of camera shy, probably. But she's still a really pretty kitty. So, that's what I wanted to show you. That sometimes I lay down on my beautiful kitty. What's her tail? Summer. So,